To check your transaction history on VyprVPN, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the VyprVPN website and click on the Login button. Enter your account credentials, including your email address and password, to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Billing section. Once logged in, look for the Billing or Account section in the main menu. Click on it to access your billing information and transaction history. Step 3. Access transaction history. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Review your transactions. Take your time to review the transaction history. You can see details such as the date of each transaction, the amount charged, and the payment method used. Step 5. Download or print. If you need a physical copy or a digital record, look for options to download or print your transaction history. This is usually available as a PDF or a printable format. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on VyprVPN. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to their customer support for assistance.